little bit. I think we'll pull down there in the dirt. Come on, get on in, boo. All right. Alrighty guys and gals, I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode of getting to cruise around in the old Tempest here. I know it's getting a little crusty, you know, it's got paint chipping off of it everywhere, but it still runs pretty good. We have a good time with it. And like I said, I've been getting a ton of these comments about how does it cold start and what does that sound like, and I thought you guys might enjoy this video. So let me give you guys some little bit of engine specs here so you guys know what it is. It is a 6.0 Vortec out of a 2001 Silverado truck. I got the engine from Pick Apart or Pull Apart or whatever you call that website. I got it from there. I went down to Knoxville and picked up the engine. On the inside of it, what all did I do? I put a TSP Tsunami cam in it, and I put new push rods, and I also put the new roller bearings and the rocker arms. And that was about it internally in the engine. I did replace the stock fuel injectors. I just put new injectors in it, so because I actually seen that we had a couple of injectors from the factory there that had been they were clogging up and didn't want to spray good, so I went ahead and pulled them out before we even started the motor up. So went ahead and took care of that, and that was about it internally. The rest of it, I dressed up the motor. I put sheet metal coil covers on it that I made personally, intake cover, and you know, just drive it and have fun with it. Computer wise, I've used a fast XIM system on it. It seems to work pretty good. It's very generic tuning wise. You just use a handheld tuner and that's about it. I think you can plug a laptop up to it, but I've never done that. It's just a very basic setup. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you are subscribed. Look down below in the video to see if you are or not on YouTube. Be sure to comment down below if you guys enjoyed this video or not, and what kind of LS swaps you guys have done. Till next time, you guys have a good one.